Now we start question. What is photosynthesis process? Which event occur during the photosynthesis process? Two questions in one question. What is the photosynthesis process? Which event occur during the photosynthesis process? Now we start answer. A process in which green plant and the chlorophyll contain organism absorb carbon dioxide from atmosphere in presence of sunlight and absorbed water is converted into the carbohydrates in presence of sunlight is called the photosynthesis process. Absorb carbon dioxide from atmosphere, water from earth crust and convert into the carbohydrate in presence of sunlight. This process is known as the photosynthesis process. Now we write the equation of photosynthesis process. 6CO2, CO2 मतलब carbon dioxide plus 12H2O, water absorbed from the earth crust or atmosphere in presence of sunlight and presence of chlorophyll, it converted into the sugar C6H12O6. This is the glucose plus 6O2 plus 6H2O. Following event occur during the photosynthesis process. In board, another question should be asked for the 2 marks or 2 or 3 marks. Which event occur in the photosynthesis process? The following event occur during the photosynthesis process. Number 1, absorption of the light energy by the chlorophyll. What is the function of the chlorophyll? To absorb light energy from the sun rays. Second point, conversion of light energy to chemical energy and splitting of water molecule into the hydrogen and oxygen. Third event occur, reduction of carbon dioxide into the carbohydrate. Most important, which event occur during the photosynthesis? Absorption of the light energy by the chlorophyll. Number 2, conversion of light energy into chemical energy and splitting of water molecule into hydrogen and oxygen. Number 3, reduction of carbon dioxide to the carbohydrates. Now we explain another question. Explain the type of organism on the basis of mode of taking the food of nutrition. न्यूट्रिशन लेने का जो मोड होता है, प्रोसेस होती है, ये प्रोसेस के हिसाब से ऑर्गेनिज्म के कितने पार्ट पड़ते हैं. नाउ वी स्टेट आंसर. द रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर द एनर्जी एंड मटेरियल is common in most of all organism. All organism require the energy obtained from the taking the food and material. Main 2 type of energy organism of the basis of taking energy and food means nutrition. Number 1, autotrophs. Auto matlab self production nutrients, self production organism, nutrition produced by the self. Second है heterotropics, depend on other. Autotrophs, green plant and chlorophyll contain organism. Which plant? Green plant. What is why this it is seen to be green? Because it contains the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll contain the green color. Organism make a food by the photosynthesis process. This organism obtain the food material from the inorganic sources in form of the carbon dioxide and water. Now we explain the second type, heterotrophs. This organism depend on the other for the nutrition means food. Heterotrophs nutrition organism depend on other for the nutrition means for the food. This organism utilize complex substance from this organism. This substance broken down into the simpler ones, simple form में convert करता है. This heterotroph survival depend on the directly or indirectly on the autotrophs, human being, animal, bacteria are the heterotrophs. Now other question we can explain. Write short note about the autotrophic nutrition. Auto means self, trophy means produce, self-produced nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition is shown by all photosynthetic organism. In this process, means photosynthetic process, carbon dioxide and H2O are converted into carbohydrate in presence of the sunlight and the chlorophyll. Carbohydrates are utilized for the providing energy to the plants. With help of the photosynthesis, carbon dioxide is produced, which is utilized for the providing energy to the plant. Excess amount of the carbohydrates अगर ज़्यादा बन गया हो तो this is stored in form of the starch. तो for MCQ, excess amount of the carbohydrates are stored in plant in form of dash, in form of the starch. This stored energy means starch utilized when it is required, and the lack of energy and the time of energy when it cannot obtain the energy, a food, this stored energy is utilized. Auto means self, trophy means produce, that means self-produced nutrition, which is only done by the chlorophyll contained plants and some bacteria. Thank you.